And it's also here, the assassin. Today, I want to talk about differentiating your brand around AI. Now, obviously, if you do a casual search around anything to do with AI, or you probably don't even have to search for it, it's been coming at you. There's an application for creating content, whether it be for SEO, for articles, for all sorts of content creation activities, whether it be images, videos. There is an AI tool now for all of those things. There is, however, emerging some resistance to AI, and some consumers are getting a bit jaded by it all. So I think if you do a little bit of homework on your ideal customer and just ask them, but also do some research as well online, and you'll find that in some cases there is a big resistance to AI content. Here's an opportunity for you to draw a line in the sand if it's appropriate for your brand. Now, for example, Dove have said they will never use AI content to represent bodies of their model. So they're only ever going to use real humans, and that's the stance that they've taken. So that can be an advantage for you. It depends on your brand. In some cases, it might be worth highlighting that you use AI for a certain component of what you do and not for others. I think this is going to change over the journey. AI is making big progress in lots of areas. And so what we think now in terms of how our brand should react could change in 6 months' time. I think it's worth making a conscious decision, though, based on what your brand stands for at the moment, where you're going with it, and how you're going to use AI in your business, and how transparent you're going to be about how you do that, so that your consumers know what you're up to, what's AI content, what's not. For us, we made a conscious decision a while ago that we'll use AI to help us with the research phase of things, and for checking a lot of things like looking for errors and all that sort of stuff, and for creating ideas. But when it comes to writing content, we still use human copywriters, because the big thing that we've found over the journey for us has been to find the voice of our client and to make sure that we stick to that in all the content that we produce. We've found that humans do that better. Now, that might not be the case in a year's time, but at the moment, that's where we sit, and we find that the results are better for search, as Google can pick up duplicate content if you're just using AI to create them. So have a think about where you are with your brand. Is a stance on AI appropriate, and should it be, or could it be, a significant advantage for you in marketing? So have a think about that. I hope you find this useful.